A New Earth by Eckhart Tolle is a deep spiritual book. Its main goal is to help a person transcend the ego and live with deeper awareness, leading to an inner transformation that can also change the world. The most important central idea in the book can be summarized like this: freedom from the grip of the ego and the creation of a new consciousness based on full presence in the now. In other words, Tolle says that human suffering, whether individual or collective, comes from attachment to the ego, the mental image of oneself, and ideas tied to possessions, religion, nationality, success, etc. The new human, or the new consciousness, appears when a person realizes that their true identity is not their thoughts or their possessions, but their deep awareness of their own being and presence in the now. This awareness happens by observing your thoughts and emotions without identifying with them, as if you are watching them from a distance, which frees you from the ego's control. When you transcend the ego, you feel inner peace, release stress, and become more loving and compassionate toward others and nature. Some key concepts Tolle focuses on in the book: the power of the present moment, the importance of disidentifying from negative thoughts, how to deal with the pain body, the emotional pain stored within, building an identity based on being rather than external things, the importance of accepting reality as it is, without inner resistance.